Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Mostly Soulful. So today we are going to prepare paneer cheese pizza. So for the pizza dough, I've taken around 3 bowls of maida here, half a bowl of curd, 2 tablespoons of dry yeast and 1 bowl of lukewarm milk. Now first I'm going to add this dry yeast into the lukewarm milk to activate the yeast here. So I'm going to add the yeast into this and give it a nice mix. You have to mix it properly so that the yeast gets activated. Now after giving it a nice mix, you have to let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now after 10 to 15 minutes, you can see yeast is ready. Now here I have taken the dough and the mixture of yeast and milk. I'm going to add it into the maida here. Now I'm going to add the curd into half and half proportion. Now I'm going to knead this dough here. You have to make sure that the dough is really soft. And I'm going to add the other half of the curd. Again I'm going to knead the dough here. I'm going to top this up with around 2 tablespoons of oil. Now here when the dough is ready, I'm going to flatten this up. I'm going to cover the dough with a cloth. Usually choose a cotton cloth, so that you have to pour in some water also, so the cloth is a little moist here. Here I'm going to put some water on this. Now you have to let the dough rest for about 1 hour. After an hour, you can see the dough has been fermented really nicely and it's really soft. Again I'm going to knead the dough here so that I get a softer texture. Now after kneading it, I've taken a medium portion of the dough here since I need a thinner crust. If you require a thicker crust, then you can take a little more of it. Now here I'm going to roll the base. I'm going to roll at the sides so that it is really thin. So when you bake it, it gets fluffed nicely. So you can see it should be this thin. Again I'm going to give it a nice roll here at the sides. So now you can see that our pizza base is ready. Now I have taken a round plate here. Now onto this plate, I'm going to grease this plate with some oil so that the base doesn't stick to the plate after baking. I'm going to grease it nicely with a brush. Once you've greased it, I'm going to put this pizza base onto this. Here, with the help of a fork, I'm going to put holes onto the base so that the pizza base gets baked properly. So now here you can see the holes and the pizza base is ready. For the pizza sauce, I've taken Szechuan sauce, red chili sauce and some tomato ketchup. So you can see the pizza sauce is ready. I've taken some tomatoes, capsicum, onion and paneer tossed with little turmeric powder and oil, and I have some grated cheese. So now first I'm going to add the pizza sauce on this. Here I'm going to spread the sauce on the base. After spreading the sauce, I'm going to put the tomatoes. So I've cut it into round shape and it is really thin. Now I'm going to add some capsicum on this. Here I've cut the onions into medium pieces. I'm going to put the onions here. Now here I'm going to put the paneer. Now I'm going to add some grated mozzarella cheese. Here I'm using the Amul mozzarella cheese. Here you can see our pizza already looks so colorful. And yeah, it has to be a little cheesy. That is when the pizza tastes really good. So now here you can see our pizza is ready. So there are two options. You can even bake it in an oven, or else you can even bake it on a stove too. So you have to take a non-stick pan, put in some oil at the base, and then put this pizza base on this and let it cook on a medium flame for about 8 to 10 minutes. So the pizza base is also baked properly and the cheese is also melted here when you cook it on a stove. So now I'm going to bake it in an oven. So here I'm going to bake this pizza in an oven for about 10 minutes. Now after 10 minutes, you can see that our pizza is ready. You can see the base is also really cooked. Now here I'm gonna put some oregano to the pizza and some chili flakes on this. And now you can see that our cheese paneer pizza is ready to eat. And you can have a look at the base. It's really thin. You can see the base here. It's really thin and baked properly. so you can enjoy the cheese paneer pizza. I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, like, comment and share.